Originally published in the March 1935 issue of Flying Aces magazine, the Sportster was a standout free-flight model that captured the sleek, racy silhouettes of the 1930s golden age of aviation. We've reimagined this classic with modern enhancements, scaled it up, fine-tuned it, and optimized everything for smooth RC performance. As with every old-school Model Works kit, our Sportster is a build-it-yourself airframe, designed in laser cut from high-quality balsa wood and light ply. Included are new simplified building features as well as laser-cut precision and self-aligning parts to make building this beauty a snap. For example, our exclusive web-lock construction makes building the wing panels a no-brainer. Rather than the sheer webs being an afterthought, they are utilized during the build to properly space, position, and lock in each rib. We have completely updated the airframe with laser-cut and self-aligning parts. The fuselage is built around a self-aligning, lightweight box for added strength and twist resistance. Updated features include plug-in wings for easy transport, as well as an easily removable cowl. Power can come from glow or electric power plants. We've designed the fuselage with a huge magnetic top hatch, so you have quick access to either your fuel tank or batteries. Also, the tray can be removed to give access for mounting an ESC or flight path battery. Takeoffs are remarkably easy with the Sportster. You can hand launch or ROG with no drama at all. The Sportster's elegant proportions and streamlined fuselage aren't just visually striking, they deliver stable, graceful flight with a nostalgic flair. Our Flying Aces Sportster is easily enjoyed as a relaxed cruiser, flying effortlessly through the sky and looking good doing it, just as the original design did nearly a century ago. When it comes to aerobatics, it's more capable than you might think. Although everything happens at a slower speed, the Sportster is easily capable of loops, rolls, hammerheads, and even inverted flight, all with the standard power recommendations. During the remaining portion of the demo flight, please pay close attention to how stable the Sportster is even at these low speeds. This prototype is being flown on a 3S 2200 mAh pack, and rarely does the throttle go above half. All the flying you'll see in this and any of our OSMW demo flights, we don't use stabilization of any kind, just manual control. Nothing wrong with stabilization, but we choose not to use it in our prototypes so you can see exactly how our models handle. I'm going to step aside now and allow you to enjoy the remaining portion of the demo flight. If you're wondering where we got the pilot figure, well, he's called Average Joe and is part of our Cranky Cockpit Club. We have a wide variety of pilot figures, and this version of Joe is specially made to fit the Sportster. You can find all the pilots on our website, and there's a link in the description.
Check out more at oldschoolmodels.com.